Hello friends, today I will be showing you puri bhaji recipe. It is a very popular Indian flatbread puri. So we have made the puris using wheat flour. So and also the sabzi we have made it on our own style. We have added some ingredients to make it more healthier and tasty. So I would request you to subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest notifications. Welcome to Mom's Food Diary. So today we'll be preparing the puri sabzi. So initially what we'll do is we have taken 500 grams of wheat flour in a large plate and we have added 4 tablespoons of milk cream in this. This is a very optional, but adding milk cream makes the puri soft. So after that we have added 1.5 tablespoon of oil and then we'll be adding water and we need to knead it. We have to knead it as same as any chapati or roti, and once we have kneaded it we have to keep the dough aside. So on the other hand we will be preparing the sabzi. So initially we have heated a pan and we need to add 4 tablespoons of oil and then we will be adding mustard seeds. We have added half teaspoon of mustard seeds and then we will be tempering it. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds have been added and then we have added a few curry leaves in this, and similarly we have taken 4 green chilies and we have to chop it. You can vary the green chilies between 4 to 8 and then we have chopped it and we have added in the similar manner. We have taken 2 large onions, we have chopped it and we have added it, and we need to stir fry it until it changes to golden brown, and then we will be adding turmeric powder and salt in it. So please follow this recipe until the end and I will be showing you the complete ingredients list at the later part of the recipe. So we have added salt as per taste and then we have to stir it, and then we will be adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So this is a sabzi we are preparing using potato. So we need to stir it. The flame will be medium now, and also now, so what we have done is we have used potatoes here. So but before that we will be adding 1 tablespoon of oil here. So we have taken 500 grams of potatoes. We have washed it thoroughly and we have boiled it and we have chopped it, and then we will be adding that into the pan, and we have to, once we add the potatoes we will be making the flame to full and then we have to mix it thoroughly. And now we have added a little twist in this recipe because, as you know, potatoes are heavy for the stomach. So to balance it, what we have done is we have taken some mint leaves and coriander leaves which are good for stomach. We have chopped it and we have to add it into the recipe. So this gives a good taste and flavor to the recipe, as well as it balances the recipe. So now we have added the coriander leaves and we have to stir it completely, and once it is completely mixed, finally we will have to cook it for 2 minutes. We have to cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. So once it is done, the sabzi will be completely ready, and now we will move back to the puris. So we will again knead the dough a little and then we have to roll out the puris. So we have added the milk cream to the puris because it's an optional, but it makes the puri softer. So now we'll start rolling it using a rolling pin. So using a rolling pin we will start to roll out the puris, and on the other side we have heated up. So this is a screen. Please pause this and note down the ingredients of the recipe. So we have completely rolled out the puris, and only when we have heated a pan with oil and only when it is completely heated, then only we will add the puris into the pan, and we need to fry it until it changes to a light color because it starts to get fluffy, and then we will flip it and we have to remove it because these puris are made using wheat flour and not maida, so we will not be frying it for a longer time. So this is we have kept the recipe healthy by using wheat flour. It tastes same and very healthy also. So we have substituted maida in this recipe with wheat flour. So these are ready and we will take it off the pan. So if you have liked this recipe, so please like and share it with your family and friends. Do watch our other recipes, and this is our sabzi is ready. Delicious and yummy potato sabzi with piping hot puris. So stay home, stay safe, take care, and until then, goodbye.